Okay, note the blue tape on the crank, the blue tape on the PTO. As we turn the crank, you'll see it goes all the way to the white tape, and we're at the bottom part of the dial. Turn it all the way around, comes all the way to the blue tape at exactly 180 degrees. The blue and the white are together. Here, let's do this. Let's change it to where the white tape and the blue tape are now aligned correctly, and if it's not the PTO, we should get different readings. Okay? You're still getting the peak at the white tape on the shaft and the trough at the blue point on the shaft. Okay? The crank is bad.